Do you have rugs that won't stay put? Whoa, that's an accident waiting to happen.
Introducing Alien Grips. One side locks onto rugs without adhesives, and the thick rubber padding stops carpets from sliding. A carpet's curled edge can cause a bad fall. Alien Grips can secure that rug in seconds. Look closely. Our soft rubber padding isn't sticky. The rubber side grips tight to the floor, so carpets won't slip or slide. Look, the secret is Alien Grips uses our breakthrough technology to stick to carpets without adhesives, while the other side uses our soft, rubberized pad to grip tight to any floor or surface. Look again. One side sticks to carpets without adhesives, and on the other side, our soft, rubberized grips protect floors and stop your rugs from sliding. Carpets and rugs that slip and slide are dangerous. Alien Grip secures them in place. One side sticks to carpet, while the other side's thick rubber padding grips to floors. And when you're done, they peel right off. Alien Grips won't scuff, scratch, or damage your floors. Watch out! That curled edge could send you flying. Alien Grips works indoors or outside. Just peel, stick it in place, and press it down to grip. You'll love it.
Old-fashioned carpet pads get bunched and look ugly, and can even ruin your floors.
Alien Grips lifts right up and peels right off. No damage, no residue. Alien Grips works on tile, linoleum, cement, wood, and so much more. You'll use them all around the house.